my God, what a historic win of India. I'm definitely sure that you have watched the finals of India and New Zealand and you have seen that we were about to lose. Like at the end, everybody was tense. Whenever you see everybody's faces, everybody was watching TV. I was also watching, I was there on the screen and very much tense because the pitch, actually, we can see that the pitch was not actually very much good. The ball was not going through very fast. We were not able to take so much runs. Even New Zealand did not take so much runs, and it was difficult for India also to cover up that runs. So it was a very competitive match. Everybody played very well. They give their best. But watching this video, I am telling about this because this was the thing which happens in our life also. We are always put in such a situation that we feel like that we are failing in my business, in our things, in our examinations, and whatever thing we are doing. But the only thing is that being positive and consistently trying to get success. Indian team did not lose the hope and they consistently tried for their best and we won the match. It might happen with anybody, not only with India, it might happen with anybody. But of course, we brought the trophy, so we are very happy about our team and are proud to be an Indian. So in life, this happens. So if you are in any business and you are facing any such type of problem, do not worry because after every sunset, there is a sunrise. And if you are in the textile business, then do not forget to watch this video till the end because today I'm going to show you very beautiful kurta designs. And look at this cord set. These are the cord sets which are very much in trend, and definitely whichever country you're residing, everybody is going to like this type of collections, whether it's in India, whether it's in out of India, Dubai or Malaysia, Mauritius, Indonesia, because most of the time I'm talking about Asian countries because Asian countries people like wearing Indian wear. So this is the collection and there are variation of color variations, color combination with handwork, with machine work, and everything will be in set only. So do not forget to like my video and do not forget to place an order. How do you place an order? You can just go on there. There is a number on the screen which is popping up and you can place an order over there. The minimum amount is 25,000 rupees and everything you have to purchase set wise only. As you can see, whichever dresses I have organized here, these all are in set. So if I talk about this particular dress, the set and the colors on this dress is this one. Look at the colors. This is blue, now green, pink, one I am wearing, and this is the color. So these are the colors. You have to purchase whole set. Single piece is not available. Wherever you look around, everything is set wise. Well, this is a petticoat, like what do we say, skirt, petticoat and blouse counter, because I'm not shooting in kurtis counter because you can see customers are there in the kurtis counter. So that's why I bought all the collections over here and I am shooting it in my this counter. So let's move to the second collection. Now this is a floral print. Whichever I am wearing, that is also a floral print. This is also a floral print. This top and this is the bottom. These are without dupatta, and look at this design. This is a little bit different design. Whichever design you follow, the neck designs are different in each and every. Now if you talk about this design, it has a flower print buttons, and which I am wearing, it has a different buttons. So in this particular piece you will get these all colors, and look at this color. This is so pretty, so lovely. I'm definitely going to wear this color in my next video, might be because once I wear, you get an idea that how these collections are looking. And the USP of this dresses are that these has a very beautiful pocket, so you can put your lip balms, you can put your mobile and whatever little things you want. It has a knot also, so it can be adjusted according to your size. So if you get a bigger size also, you can adjust according to your size. The size is also not a matter. If you want to wear it loose, you can wear it loose also. If you wear it body hugging, you can do it in that way also. So these are the colors. Now let me move to the third design. This is the third design where the design is completely zigzag. I'll ask the videographer to focus on the designs. Now look at this. This is a different pattern. This is a zigzag pattern with a hint of silver zari on it and the linings. Let me open this. If I talk about all the designs, these are pretty much simple, but the neck designs are different and the flower patterns are different. Well, I am wearing a small pattern, flower patterns, and this one is a bigger flower pattern. Look at the flowers. Wow. Somebody like small flowers, some in like bigger flowers, some in like very tiny flowers. We have all collection. These are just the sample of few collections which I am showing you. You are going to get so many variations from our company because, of course, it is a manufacturing company and we have more than thousands and thousands of products in this company. We have KTC house also. So you need not to worry about the products and what type of collections you want. We have everything from starting to ending: menswear, kidswear, nightwear, nighties, sarees, dupatta, dress material. And look at the people around us, everybody in every counter. There is a rush. These are just a sample of 3 counters. All the counters are completely loaded with customers. So I hope you understand my video, and you can place an order through video call also. You can place an order online also. Like, you do not need to come here. You can place by sitting at your home space also. Cash on delivery is available in all over India, and worldwide shipping is also available. So what are you thinking about? Just place an order and start your own business right now. My name is Momita Shah. See you again in my next video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम